Tucked away on Lake Marion in South Carolina, there's a little slice of heaven on earth, otherwise known as Relaxed Retreat at Carolina King. Hi, we're Chris
and David, and together with our wives Jennifer and Cynthia, we bought over 70 cabins in Summerton, South Carolina.
We fell in love with this place the second we saw it.
It wasn't fancy like the Ritz-Carlton,
but it clearly had soul. When you're here, you can literally feel time slow down.
We're not developers.
We're family. And this all started as a shared dream to foster a peaceful place in the great outdoors for people to come, to reconnect with nature, and to reset their busy lives.
Really for our families to come and reset from our busy lives. And of course, to catch a lot of fish.
We started with a handful of cabins and a lot of elbow grease.
We didn't have it all figured out, but we knew it felt right.
Our cabins are rustic, and we embrace that.
However, it's super important to us that our guests feel comfortable. Each cabin has heating and AC.
Depending on the size, has either a full kitchen or a kitchenette, direct TV, and all the home essentials.
We have over 1,500 feet of shoreline and a range of cabin sizes accommodating from 2 to 12 guests comfortably. Whether you're coming with your better half or bringing the whole family, you'll have plenty of space.
There's our general store, where you can find gift items, clothing, fishing tackle, hot food, and snacks. We also offer boat rentals, fishing docks, boat slips, and boat ramps.
There's also full hookup RV sites, and our property is pet friendly.
What we hear over and over again from our guests is that this place helps them slow down, to savor life, to be present for the small moments, to reconnect with their loved ones, to reconnect with themselves, to put the phones away and remember the things that really matter.
It's not perfect. We're learning as we go, but every detail here has been touched by our hands and crafted with care.
We want our guests to feel like they're part of the magic, because they are. This retreat is becoming something bigger than just us.
Refreshing. Cheers.
Come rest for a while.
Book your stay at relaxedretreat.com.